This video will show you how to share content using Polycom Real Presence Desktop. During a meeting, you may want to share your computer screen or application with participants in the video conference. First, click the menu button. Then, go to the Share Content tab. You can either share your monitor or an open application. In this example, we will share a PowerPoint file by clicking on the PowerPoint app icon. Your PowerPoint file is now viewable by participants in the conference. If you need to increase the size of the content, you may change it from within the shared application. If you want to share your monitor, click the Share Content icon and click on Desktop 1. This allows for the participants to view your entire desktop. To stop sharing either your desktop screen or a particular application, click the Stop icon. Enjoy your meeting.